Assalamu alaikum. April 22nd, 2025, an independent, not any state-backed terrorist group attacked some tourists in Pahalgam, India. Only 15 days later, terrorists clad in Indian Defence Force uniform attacked Pakistan at as many as 9 targets, including civilians who were sleeping that hour at night. Can you connect some dots maybe? Let me help you with that. Indian Defence Force, following precedents set by terrorists. A equals B, people, pretty basic. I'm convinced you guys are gonna go down in history, but what's the legacy you're leaving again? Like, what are you gonna tell your children? Ki Indian Defence Force took on nihatte sote hue Pakistani civilians? Like, that's what you call bravery? Don't you think it's a hollow claim, people? जिस मगरूराना तरीके से आप लोग इन चीज़ों को नशर कर रहे हो, don't you think taking in pride demands a fair fight? कंपटीशन तो इक्वल फुटिंग के ऊपर होता है। पाकिस्तान से 4 गुना ज़्यादा बड़ा इंडिया और वर्ल्ड्स मोस्ट पॉपुलेटेड कंट्री, टू बी एग्जैक्ट 4 पाकिस्तान मिलाओ और 1 केपी से थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा बड़ा एरिया, तब जाके एक इंडिया बनता है। एंड फॉर 1 पाकिस्तानी 5 इंडियंस। और इस कंट्री की डिफेंस फोर्स सोते हुए पाकिस्तानियों के ऊपर ड्रोन्स फेंकेगी एंड दे गोना कॉल इट कंपटीशन। नेशनल एम्बेरसमेंट का मुकाम है आप लोगों की कौम के लिए। बहैसियत कौम आप लोगों को शर्म आनी चाहिए। द पैरेलल्स आई ड्रू बिटवीन दोज एमेच्योर टेररिस्ट्स इन पहलगाम and the Indian state terrorism, I think the latter could do way better. I mean, being significantly better funded and equipped with military grade expertise once again. I mean, that's the best you've got. Attacking through the dark with those long range missiles. While those do it yourself DIY freedom fighters, peace disruptors as I'd call them, they did it during brunch hours, people. Under the sun, in the plain sight, and that too at point blank ranges. Have you seen parent organization acting far more dastardly than its offshoot? Credit where it's due. Thanks to Indian Army, thanks to Indian Defence Force. You guys truly deserve Oscars for the consistency, people, in cowardice. If I talk about general sentiment among Pakistani public after the alleged Pakistani involvement in the Pahalgam tragedy, we were troubled. People, we were devastated. I made an entire video condemning it. We condemned it at every level possible. Like पर्सनल लेवल के ऊपर मोफा मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ फॉरेन अफेयर्स के स्पोक्स पर्सन का बयान पढ़ लिया जाए, ऑफिशियल लेवल के ऊपर, स्टेट लेवल के ऊपर वी इवन ऑफर्ड आवर सर्विसेज इन इन्वेस्टिगेटिंग द पहलगाम ट्रेजेडी which you brusquely turned down calling us murderers. लेकिन we were hell bent. We called for a neutral probe, we called for global mediation because we knew for a fact that we're gonna come out clean. I wonder how do Indians feel about their confessed state-sponsored terrorism as opposed to Pakistanis being devastated over the alleged, again, not to date confirmed Pakistani involvement in the Pahalgam tragedy. Why on Lord's green earth am I wondering? Half the population of India, आप लोग तो खुशियाँ मना रहे थे जब सिविलियंस के ऊपर ड्रोन्स गिराए जा रहे थे, छोटे छोटे बच्चों को मारा जा रहा था. It was never Hindu versus Muslim behind us parting ways, but rather the level of insensitivity of you guys. Should I say thank you?